Yeah, hi friend. I hope you are doing well. So today we are going to discuss about how to create my FG code. Okay, in earlier sessions we discussed about raw material creations, same way material type configuration, then number and assignment. So in these sessions we are going to discuss about to create FG code. So what I mean by what is FG code first? So FG code obviously those codes which we are going to sell out. We are means what we doing to manufacture first what manufacture, so that is we are our final product, that final product we are going to sell out. So that we are how to create in the system. So obviously the transaction code for create material master is mm01. Okay, so we can go mm01, then industry type mechanical. Okay, and material type I selected finish, that is ZF01. Okay, so that is finished product. Anything you can, whatever with the FERT material type is standard, is a FERT material type, so you can select that one. Then we go with the basic data one, as it's a finished good. So basically will be we have to select views related with the FG code. So that is basic data one, basic data two, sales view. Okay, then purchasing view are obviously not required. Then we have to go with the MRP 4 views. Then work scheduling view. Okay, general data plan storage one, accounting one, quality costing. If quality required, so you can go with the quality also. Okay, so as of now, I'm not taking quality. Then plant 1710, I'm taking standard plant. 171 is a standard storage location. You can select if you require. You can go with the details and you can select. Okay, then sales organization 170 and the distribution channel is 10. So I do the enter. So that my finished product is, that will be that material code. That code is got, that now the system will pick that from the internal number ranges what we assign. So now we have to enter here description of your finished product. So what finished product you can give the description. So I can we can say that my finished product is mobile. Okay, so that is my final product of mobile, and I have to create mobile. So mobile is my final product. Then I have to enter unit of measure. So what is unit of measure mobile? So obviously it will be piece or EA, each numbers. So what will be the unit of measure in SAP? So that will be coming in the piece or EA. So I took that EA. Anyhow, in material groups and all that is not required for my self manufactured product. So in basic data one, that is okay. Basic data two also, that not mandatory field. So I'm not going to enter. If any additional field required, you can go through detail. Then sales organization. Obviously, as I'm doing the sale, so I have to maintain some sales related data. So here you can go with the based on the measure by default coming sales unit. If any that unit sales unit is some different, so you can go with that. Okay, then we have to assign tax condition. We enter for every that for 00. Okay, so you can go with the in the detail. So the tax condition is there. Now I'm going to directly item sales organization 2. So here general item category and item category group you have to enter, because this is mandatory things, and that on basis of that only your sales planning will be depend. Okay, so that I have maintained, and later on in that sales general plan data, we have to maintain availability check. That is more important. So we can maintain as of now SP. And your batch management or not, if couple of materials required, so you can activate. Okay, but as we are not going to activate batch management, we will see for batch management what is that and all with different another video. Okay, so that materials now we coming to MRP one. So here MRP one, there is a MRP type is mandatory. So if we selected PD, that is MR forecast based planning. Okay, so if you go with the PD forecast based planning, so system will be asking you controller, MRP controller you should enter. So you can select F4 bottom and you go with the that Z01. Then obviously lot size you have to enter. So lot size procedure also. I will be selecting lot size or lot for order quantity. Yes. as my finished good is there, so obviously it will be in-house manufacturing. You can procurement type you can select. For FG code is always in-house because it will be going to manufacture. So I selected E. Then in-house manufacturing time. So how many days required to production? So I told 2 days for my mobile production. Okay. Anyhow, that is I am not realistic, but anyhow on basis of your requirement you can go with that. Planning strategy I will maintain 10. Okay. So I maintain the 10. Then here individual collective requirement will require there. So otherwise not there any other. Then production supervisor. Okay. So you can maintain production supervisor. Suppose like that. YB1, that is okay. And for us that stock MTS DI evaluated. So production schedule profile. So we maintain production schedule profile. Now we are going to the here already that available. Okay, valuation class we have to maintain. So we'll select a valuation class for finished good 7920. Okay, what is the standard price? If any valuation class, if your FG code have standard price, so you can go with that. Otherwise, that depend on whether it required or not. So I maintain that 11,000 of the standard price. So what is price control? F, S, and V. You can able to check here. So standard price, S means a standard and V means moving. So standard price is generally used for those materials which are in-house manufactured. Means they have that in-house manufactured first, and second, those either any material, those price is fixed for a certain period. So for those material, we are using price control S. So here we use S. Okay. Now coming to accounting two data, any not many required for the material creation. So we'll costing data here also. We are not going to any with quantity structure should require. Then variance key and all will be coming. Okay. Then I will make the here you can able to check that. Now I'm going to exit. So system will be asking, do you want to save the material first? Yes. I told yes, this material is so that material is my created. I can able to check this. So I will be showing the change mode. So that code is there. Now we go with the views. Okay. If any views specific or all views you select, that is your call. So once you go into the detail, you able to access those material. Mobile is now created. In all details are available in the system. Okay. I hope you got the clarity. Okay. Let me know if any queries. Okay. So this today we discussed. Yeah. Thanks for that. It is good. Thanks for watching my this channel, and we'll discuss in the more detail if required. So please comment and share this video. Okay. Thank you.